Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today we are going to be creating a look with the Be Perfect Carnival XL palette, Stacey Marie. And I've seen this floating around the internet. I've never used Be Perfect Cosmetics before, and I just really thought these colors were gorgeous. So if you want to see the look that we create today, then go ahead and stay tuned. So before we get started, thank you so much for stopping by. I do beauty, a little bit of lifestyle, unboxings, tutorials, reviews, hauls, all that kind of good stuff. So if you are new, welcome. If you like what you see throughout the video, please make sure that you hit that thumbs up button, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Hopping into this palette, I received this, I did a haul buying things from Beauty Bay, and with that I got this, and I will link that video above so you guys can check that out. But a friend of mine used the shade right here, Orchid, and I thought it was really pretty, and I have never used Be Perfect Cosmetics. I don't know how this palette is going to perform. I don't know how the colors are going to blend. I don't know if they're pigmented, but that color was really pretty on her. So that's kind of the whole main reason why I bought this palette in the first place. So let's just kind of see what happens. I am going to go off camera and do my face, and then we will get started on our eyes. Okay, so I did my face, and now I am going to prime my eyes. I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eye Primer. Okay, now that my eyes are primed, we're gonna go ahead and hop into the palette. I really like this purple color Orchid, so I think I'm gonna start with that color, and then we'll just kind of see how it goes. But I'm gonna take that color and put it all over my lid. Okay, and again, make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video where I go over my final thoughts about this palette, because this is a first impressions video. Next, I think I'm feeling this color. It's called Why Though, and I'm gonna take that on a fluffy brush and I'm gonna kind of buff it out up into my brow bone. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this color up here called Persuasion, and I'm going to kind of put it in my outer corner and buff it out a little bit. Okay, next I'm going to go in with a plain fluffy brush with no product on it, and I'm going to just kind of make it all blend a little bit better. Okay, next I think I want to take this bright pink color called Pep Talk and kind of put it in the inner corner, and if that one isn't bright enough, I'll try Funky. Okay, next I want to go in with this bright green color called Ecstasy, and I'm going to line my lower lash line. Okay, then I'm going to take this other green right above it called the Hype, and I'm going to put that over the green on my outer lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to finish my mascara, my eyebrows, and my eyeliner, and my lipstick, and I will be right back. So this is the finished look using the Carnival XL Pro palette from Be Perfect Cosmetics and Stacey Marie. I think it turned out really nice. It's really colorful. It's very pretty. It reminds me of like mystical things like a unicorn or candy or something, but I do think it turned out really cool. Okay, final thoughts and first impressions. So again, I have never tried Be Perfect Cosmetics. This is my first time using this palette. I've seen it everywhere on Instagram, on the internet. So I will say it does feel like a heavy duty palette. I like the packaging. I think it's really cool. The mirror is really big. I can see my whole entire face and it's really cool. Okay, so now the colors. I think these are a awesome color palette. You have brights, you have glitters, you have mattes, you have transition shades, you have black, you have whites, you have different shades of white, cream, tan. I love it. I think it's great. Now, some of the shades I feel like I had to dip into more so than others. This first green that we went in with, this lighter shade Ecstasy, I feel like I had to keep going in and piling it on. The other green was really pigmented, the one that we have on the corners. The first shade that we took, Orchid, I probably had to dip into that shade like 10 times to make it look like it does. The like mint color that we have on our brow bone, that one blended out really nicely. The darker colors, I feel like this purple that we used, Persuasion, like that pinkish purple color, that was a little difficult to blend out. I feel like it was a little bit muddy. But overall, I'm pretty happy. Some of the shades were super pigmented, others were you had to work a little bit more. Of course, we did not use every single color in this palette, but I'll probably be doing other looks with this palette on YouTube, so stay tuned for those. But overall, yeah, I think it's a great palette. Lots of color choices, and I definitely will be dipping into this again. Those are my final thoughts. I really like how this look turned out. I feel like it could be a little bit more cleaner, but this was my first time using this palette, so we'll just see how it goes next time. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, and you can easily subscribe to my channel when my face pops up here down below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.